For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gas station can be a highly profitable venture, especially in high-traffic areas or underserved communities. Using AI tools can streamline decision-making, automate operations, enhance marketing, and optimize customer experience. Here's a detailed 1,000-word step-by-step guide to launching a gas station business with AI support. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before investing in a gas station, conduct thorough market research to understand demand, competition, pricing, and local regulations. Use AI tools. ChatGPT. Generate market insights and summaries. Google Trends. Analyze search trends for fuel stations in your area. Think Data Works or Quandl. Access regional fuel consumption data. Prompt for ChatGPT. Give me a detailed market analysis for opening a gas station in city, state, including demand, competition, regulations, and fuel consumption trends. Step 2. Choose a location. Location is crucial for gas station success. Use AI to evaluate high-traffic areas, population density, and competitor proximity. Use AI tools. Placer.ai. Foot traffic and demographic analytics. RegRid or Zillow. Find commercial properties with zoning for fuel stations. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the factors to consider when selecting a gas station location? How can I assess site potential using AI? Step 3. Decide on ownership model. Choose whether to start an independent station, franchise with a major fuel brand, or purchase an existing station. AI can help compare business models. Prompt for ChatGPT. Compare the pros and cons of owning an independent gas station versus franchising with a brand like Shell or BP. Step 4. Create a business plan. A comprehensive business plan is essential for securing financing and guiding your launch. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Copy.ai. Draft business plans. Live plan, templates, and financial forecasting. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write me a business plan for a gas station in city, targeting daily commuters and local residents, with fuel sales and a convenience store. Include executive summary, business model, location strategy, services, e.g., fuel types, convenience store, car wash, marketing plan, financial projections. Step 5. Secure financing. Gas stations require significant startup capital. AI can assist in preparing financial documents and finding lenders. Use AI tools. ChatGPT. Create investor pitch decks. QuickBooks plus AI Insights. Generate financial reports. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a financial summary and 5-year projection for a gas station startup with an expected initial investment of $750,000. Step 6. Obtain permits and licenses. You'll need multiple permits: fuel storage, environmental, business license, health permits for convenience stores, and possibly zoning approvals. Use AI tools. ChatGPT. Summarize licensing requirements by location. Do not pay. Help with applying for local permits and licenses. Prompt for ChatGPT. List all the permits and licenses required to start a gas station in city, state, including environmental and safety regulations. Step 7. Design your station. Design a layout for fuel pumps, canopy, convenience store, parking, and signage. Use AI tools. AutoCAD with AI plugins or Planner 5D, AI-assisted design. ChatGPT. Brainstorm store layout ideas. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest an efficient layout for a gas station with 4 pumps, a convenience store, and an automatic car wash. Step 8. Source equipment and suppliers. You'll need fuel pumps, underground tanks, POS systems, surveillance, store inventory, etc. Use AI tools. ChatGPT. Vendor comparison. GP Smart. AI for procurement management. Prompt for ChatGPT. List reliable vendors for fuel pumps, POS systems, and convenience store inventory for a new gas station. Step 9. Hire and train staff. Hiring dependable staff is key to smooth operations. Use AI to screen resumes, schedule interviews, and train employees. Use AI tools. HireView, AI video interviews. Recruitee or Breezy HR, AI candidate screening. Trainual, AI enhanced staff onboarding. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a job description for a gas station cashier and manager with required skills, duties, and work hours. Step 10. Set up technology and POS systems. Modern gas stations require integrated POS, inventory, pricing, and surveillance systems. Use AI tools. Square or Toast POS, AI-powered analytics for store sales. Verifone or Gilbarco, gas pump plus POS integration. Deep Sentinel, AI security monitoring. Prompt for ChatGPT. What technology and AI-based systems should I use to manage a gas station's fuel pricing, inventory, and customer transactions? Step 11. Develop a marketing plan. Promote your gas station through local advertising, loyalty programs, and online presence. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Jasper.ai. Create content and campaigns. Canva. Design signage and digital ads. Surfer SEO. Optimize your website content for search. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a marketing plan for a new gas station targeting local commuters, with a focus on loyalty cards and convenience store specials. Marketing strategies. Launch promotions, discounted fuel for the first week. Loyalty apps with AI-based customer tracking, e.g., PunchCard. Geo-targeted ads via Google or Facebook. Partnerships with rideshare drivers or delivery companies. Step 12. Launch and promote. Organize a grand opening with local media, discounts, and community outreach. Use AI tools. MailChimp plus AI. Email campaigns for grand opening. ChatGPT. Event promotion ideas. Prompt for ChatGPT. Give me a list of ideas for a gas station grand opening promotion event that attracts local drivers and families. Step 13. Monitor and optimize. Use AI for ongoing optimization of fuel pricing, inventory, customer traffic, and store sales. Use AI tools. Fuel pricing algorithms for major suppliers or apps like Edge Petrol. POS system dashboards with AI, real-time sales, and stock levels. ChatGPT. Suggest ways to improve slow-moving products or increase fuel sales. Prompt for ChatGPT. How can I use AI to improve fuel pricing and boost convenience store sales based on customer behavior? Step 14. Expand or add services. Once profitable, consider expanding services like EV charging stations, car wash, food service or fast food franchise, parcel pickup lockers. Use AI tools. Tesla Supercharger API or ChargePoint integration. ChatGPT. Evaluate new revenue streams. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the best AI-driven services to add to a successful gas station to increase profit and customer retention? Conclusion. AI can assist in almost every aspect of starting and managing a gas station, from site selection and business planning to marketing, staffing, and day-to-day operations. Leveraging AI tools helps reduce risk, enhance efficiency, and ensure your station stays competitive in a changing market. Stay updated with emerging AI features in POS, supply chain, and customer engagement to maximize growth. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.